Hi guys. So this morning I came across an interesting little formula, and I was essentially asked for the number of true working days between two dates. And I started off by saying, well, I'm looking for the date of today, and I could have also gone control and semicolon to get that date. And the other date that I was looking for is 2021, the 29th of September. So if I calculate the difference between these two dates, I could use date difference or other formulas as well, but essentially I get 169 days. Of those days, I want to know which of those days are true working days, or how many days were true working days. And I found this interesting little formula called NETWORKDAYS, and you get two different types, but essentially NETWORKDAYS gives you the ability to pass a parameter of start date, end date and holidays, which is quite interesting. So my start date would be this date, and my end date would be that date, which is my date today. And if I close that, I find 122 days. So I can easily go and download a list. I went into a website and quickly downloaded a list of South African holidays, and I can copy these across into Excel quickly, and then I'll have my holidays, and this is my 2022 days, and there I've got my 2021 days, because both dates fall within both years. And that gives me 2022, and that gives me 2021. So Excel automatically goes and makes all of this 2022, so I can go and replace that 2022 with 2021s, and it found 14 replacements, which is equal to the count, and I've got all my 2021 days now, and I've also got all my 2022 days. Now, there's many ways to use Excel's new formulas to combine these two data sets, but quick and easy, quick and dirty, I'm just going to quickly go and say these are all my 2022 dates, and then this is all my 2021 days. Right, and that's two dynamic formulas or dynamic arrays stacked on top of one another. There's a new Excel formula for that, and I can see I've got all my dates there. So what's nice about that now is I can feed this as a range and tell Excel that those are the holidays in between those two dates, and it lowers it to 120 working days. So that's a quick way to find true working days between two dates. Hope you guys find it useful, and if you want to see more of this, please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any other ideas, or if you have anything to add to the content in the video. Thanks.